everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. You can see on the screen hotel location, amenities, the nearby attractions and landmarks also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, Category 6. We talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 9 categories of rooms are available online. You can book online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also book the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem, please share your experience in the comment box. This channel, so you can subscribe to the channel. Don't miss any video of our upcoming